Here we have the Nokia 5110 LCD module interface to the 68AC11 board. And this is done via the SPI port. We can see several wires here, and they are connected to the serial clock and the master out slave in pins. And we're also using a few of port B's pins, mainly PB0, PB1, and PB2. And of course, ground and 5 volts. Now, the 60AC11 operates on 5-volt logic, while the LCD module operates on 3.3 volt logic. So some signal level translation had to be done, or conversion, and this is done via the 10K ohm resistors seen right here. So by putting a 10K ohm resistor in series with the 5-volt signal, it would drop it to about 3.3 volts. The 3.3 volts VCC is provided by a 3.3 volt voltage regulator. So the 5 volts coming from the 68C11 board is sent to the voltage regulator, and out comes 3.3 volts. And then there's a capacitor at the output, just to ensure that the signal is very smooth and that any noise is filtered out. Now, as far as the program that the 68C11 is running, this program receives ASCII character data over the SCI port, and that's where this cable is attached. Now, this cable is connected to a PC. So through the SCI port and the PC, data is received and then sent out the SPI port to the LCD module. Now, looking at the PC side of things, I am using TeraTerm, and it's configured for 9600 baud and 8 bits, 1 stop bit, and 1 start bit. Now, whatever I type in into the ASCII terminal that I have here will be sent out COM port 3. And that COM port is a USB port, and that is the cable that you see connected to the 68C11 board at the very top right there. So let me type a character into the terminal software here. Let's type in an A, lowercase a. There we go. And now looking at the LCD screen, we can see an A right there as well. Let me type in a space and then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can see that that is what's being received here as well. I can type in some words too. How about this? Not bad, right? Now, the way that the LCD is configured, it's configured pretty much just as a ASCII terminal in a sense. Basically, it's going to display whatever is coming over the line as an ASCII character. And so that is being shown on the screen. Now, it simply just keeps on putting whatever character it translates it to, puts that on the screen, and then once that particular row is all filled up, drops down to the next row. Well, hopefully this is a pretty good demo, and hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you.